Changing your payout method on Perpay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your new payout method is set up correctly. Step 1. Log into your Perpay account. Access the Perpay website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Payout Methods. In the account settings, find the Payout Methods option. This section allows you to view and manage your current payout methods. Step 4. Add or edit your payout method. Choose to add a new payout method or edit an existing one. Follow the prompts to enter the required information, such as bank account details or payment service information. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new payout information, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. Make sure to double-check your new payout method for accuracy. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Perpay's customer support for assistance.